How to get the reviews for your HVAC company. How to get reviews for your HVAC business on Yelp and Facebook. Review is revenue. Since reviews for a business is the lifeblood, this should be a main concern at any stage of the business game. The challenges HVAC company owners face are: 1. How to get reviews for your business. 2. How to get Yelp reviews for your business. 3. How to sidestep negative reviews. 4. What do your customers expect of you? 5. How do I get Google reviews on my website? Asking customers for reviews is one of the hardest things HVAC company owners just like you face. Unless you time the asking right, this is what your customers are doing by the time you get around to asking them. How to get reviews on Google, which is the most important platform currently, was discussed earlier. Reputation is everything when it comes to building a digital brand. Stacey Kehoe. To get Yelp reviews for your HVAC business, you can be listed on Yelp and ask customers, just like how you get reviews on Google. If you'd rather focus on building your HVAC business than spending your time and the time of your employees chasing after customers and begging for reviews, then you can leave the drab, dull review generation details to one of the best review generation and review management companies like ours. The first rule of management is delegation. Don't try to do everything yourself or you'll never get anything done. John C. Maxwell. Delegate to save time. That brings us to the next topic of review management. What is review management? Your HVAC service customers expect you to respond to their reviews whether good or bad. Time-wise, this can be a bear. So, the smart companies employ one of the best review management companies like ours to manage the reviews for them. What does review management mean? It means we reach out to customers who are dissatisfied. Check and see if there are systemic issues within the company that need to be addressed, especially if multiple reviews speak to the same issue. And work on ways to turn bad reviews into non-bad ones or even good ones, we discuss in person. Review management technology. One important item to remember is that your positive reviews need to be and must be displayed proudly everywhere you possibly can, especially on the homepage of your website and landing page. More often than not, your great reviews are hidden somewhere on the testimonials page deep within the website where no one goes. Since review is revenue, you must make every attempt to show off your positive and best reviews. How we solve this problem for our clients is by streaming the review on their website and on the home page and landing page, which immediately calms the potential customer looking for HVAC services, HVAC installation and repairs, puts them at ease answering their questions in their mind, and converts and turns them quickly into a paying customer. We recently had a dentist to whose office a new patient arrived and plunked $3,500 on the table for a procedure. He asked her proudly, "Did you see my before and after pictures?" To which she replied, "No, I just saw your streaming reviews." That's the power of streaming reviews, which do all the selling for you. As we progress in our relationship, you will learn more ways that automatically do the selling for you, freeing up your time and resources for better things. You can request examples to see how the streaming reviews will look on your website. Begin somewhere. You cannot build a reputation on what you intend to do. Liz Smith. I would rather earn 1% off of 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own efforts. J. Paul Getty. That's how you leverage your time, energy, emotional well-being and resources, by hiring one of the best review management companies while growing your revenue, because review is revenue. Would you like us to prepare you a custom online presence report for your HVAC business? We are offering at no charge to you for a limited time. See how your competitors are performing. Turning a few key leverage points can suddenly increase your business to new levels. Go ahead and request it at reviewisrevenue.com to see where the vulnerabilities are and what you can do to beat the competition. You can request your free report from us today to grow your reviews and prosper. Subscribe to our playlist, request your free report at reviewisrevenue.com, and connect with us on LinkedIn to start building your unbeatable online reputation. For best results and higher revenue opportunity, make sure you have enough reviews, mostly positive reviews, and the right number of star ratings for potential new HVAC service customers to trust you and book high revenue jobs with you. Thank you for watching. Wishing you success. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off.